A man is in custody following yesterday's incident in which an 11-year-old girl was shot in the head on Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew. She's in critical condition. The girl, who is a student of Holy Trinity High in Kingston, was shot below the left ear and above the right eye. Acting head of the St. Andrew South Police, Senior Superintendent Steve McGregor, says she was walking home when tragedy struck.
In close proximity to her home, she was unfortunately shot when two men who had an altercation, one tried to shoot the other with a gun which did not explode at the time, and the other one ran off. And then he tried again, and the gun eventually exploded. And it's one of those shots that caught the little girl, that occasioned her being in the hospital now in critical condition. We have one of the combatants in custody now working on him. We are searching for the other one.